Hey, awesome TurboTax accountant. Mark Franke here. This is the orientation for the TurboTax accounting class, Accounting 61. I'm so glad you've signed up for the class. And in this brief video, I'll go through all the requirements of the class that you need to worry about. We will first do a quick overview of the IRS Form 1040. We'll navigate through TurboTax, talk about income and adjustments to income, filing status, claiming dependents, itemized deductions, tax credits, and then calculating the final amount due or the refund. You will earn points for the cases that we do as well as the discussion board items. These will all be done in Canvas. The cases, there are 3 different versions of 3 cases. So in other words, there will be 9 cases in total. 3 basic, 3 medium, and 3 more complicated. The first version is the practice one. The practice case will follow exactly what I do in the videos that will instruct you on how to do the tax returns using TurboTax. Then there will be a case for submission. That will be worth 30 points. The case for submission will be exactly like the case. I will just change the names and the numbers. And then the third version is the exam. The exam is exactly the same as the submission case, exactly the same as the practice case with different numbers and different names. So you'll have 3 of those for each case. There is no textbook for this class. All the case materials will be provided through the Canvas system. So when you log into Canvas, you will see this course as a list of all of your courses that you've taken at Cerritos College or are currently taking. You will, however, have to buy the TurboTax software. I've given you a link here and on the syllabus to the software. The first week you need to buy the software and install it on your computer and make sure that it's working properly. As of today, January 6, 2020, the software was $69.99. You might be able to find it cheaper at Staples or Office Depot or somewhere else. So, as I said, there's a practice case. There's 3 different versions. We will just be focused on case number 1 initially, which means there'll be a practice case, there'll be a case for submission, and there'll be an exam case. Again, they're the same case with different names, different numbers, and they will all be listed for you out in Canvas. I will also have posted some discussion board items for you to respond to. These will focus on taxes, on what's considered fair taxes, what's the difference between a tax deduction and a tax credit, or income or expenses, or tax avoidance versus tax evasion. I'll just post lots of different things throughout the semester that you need to respond to. These are the student learning outcomes that we expect for students that complete this class successfully. You'll be able to identify certain income and expense items, credits. You'll be able to navigate the TurboTax software, and you'll be able to prepare a return to the IN from scratch. So, your job now is to send me an email. In your email, you need to use this specific language. This is how I know that you watched the orientation and that you're ready to get started. So, again, I really appreciate you taking this class. I look forward to working with you, and I think you'll find that this will work just fine. It will be something that will be useful for you in the years coming. And again, thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.